Hello, who's there?
I've heard you fix cars.
Yeah, we do, but wait, you sound familiar. Have we talked before?
It's a BMW. I will send the location.
Oh, damn, look at this. Is this M3? Man, this looked completely gone. No way, dude.
Here we have the BMW E46 GTR, completely gone. Rust has eaten through everything here.
Let's get all this dust out.
The engine looks good, need a little bit clean and lubrication, that's all.
All right, keep it coming slow. Watch the clearance on the manifold.
Looks good. Settling now.
By the way, whose car is this?
Someone special.
Oh, okay. Where is he?
I don't know, maybe busy in his life.
Make sure to like and subscribe to this channel. And I still remember you, but do you remember me?